We are witnessing a technological revolution driven by artificial intelligence. AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney are transforming every industry. However, an even more significant AI breakthrough is unfolding right now, affecting everything we depend on, including the computers powering ChatGPT and Midjourney. This breakthrough is AI building AI. A few weeks ago, Nvidia hosted its latest GTC conference, discussing AI breakthroughs like ChatGPT and the hardware that supports it. They introduced their A100 GPUs, specifically designed for machine learning and deep learning applications, and unveiled their new H100 chips, currently being shipped to some of the world's largest companies. Nvidia's H100 chips are 9 times faster for AI training, and for large inference models like GPT-4, they are an astonishing 30 times faster. This is a massive improvement. But the true breakthrough is yet to come. These GPUs can be connected to create even more powerful systems at any scale. For instance, 8 H100 chips can be linked to form a DGX H100 server system. Combining 9 of these server systems results in a DGX pod, and it doesn't end there. 32 DGX pods can be linked to create a superpod, one of the most powerful computing systems in existence. Considering how quickly ChatGPT reached 100 million users and the number of businesses built on it, every cloud computing platform from Microsoft Azure to Amazon Web Services will need substantial amounts of these H100 service systems in the coming years. This is where challenges arise. Current chip design and manual manufacturing are constrained by our ability to etch minuscule patterns onto silicon wafers with incredible precision. Even before this step, we are limited by the speed at which we can calculate the correct patterns. This is where the breakthrough comes in. Nvidia's GTC keynote, presented by CEO Jensen Huang, explains the astonishing process of creating advanced chips like their H100ES, the limitations of that process today, and Nvidia's innovative solution. The video reveals that chip manufacturing requires extreme precision, producing features 1,000 times smaller than a bacterium. Lithography, the process of creating patterns on a wafer, consists of 2 stages: photomask making and pattern projection. The photomask acts as a stencil for a chip, with light either blocked or passed through the mask to the wafer to create the pattern. The light is generated by the ASML EUV Extreme Ultraviolet Lithography system, which costs over $250 million. ASML EUV uses an innovative method to create light, with laser pulses firing 50,000 times a second at a drop of tin, vaporizing it, and producing a plasma that emits 13.5 nanometer EUV light. Multi-layer mirrors guide the light to the mask to create finer features down to 3 nanometers. The step before lithography is equally remarkable. Computational lithography uses inverse physics algorithms to predict the mask patterns that will produce the final patterns on the wafer. Interestingly, the mask patterns do not resemble the final features. Computational lithography simulates Maxwell's equations, illustrating the behavior of light passing through optics and interacting with photoresists. With more chips available, costs for each chip decrease, and chip shortages become less frequent. This ultimately leads to lower prices and/or higher margins for smartphones, tablets, laptops, and desktops, as well as software services with significant hardware costs. This is particularly exciting for companies like Apple, whose primary revenue comes from hardware, or companies like Tesla, who reportedly signed a massive deal with TSMC to use their 5 and 4 nanometer processes for designing their next-generation FSD chips. But it's not just about producing more of the same chips. Being able to design 40 times more masks also means handling up to 40 times more chip designs for the same amount of power, or at least until the next bottleneck in the chip fabrication process is reached. This means companies can design and manufacture more specialized application-specific chips, which would have saved Nvidia and their customers a lot of trouble a few years ago, when crypto miners bought up all the high-end GPUs, raising prices for gamers and disrupting Nvidia's revenue. Amazon has been designing its own Graviton processors for AWS servers for years, and AWS powers over 1/3 of the entire internet today. They recently unveiled their latest Graviton 3E chips, designed for heavier workloads like big data processing and real-time video streaming. Amazon's chips focus on energy efficiency, lowering the cost of their data centers and cloud services, ultimately reducing costs for consumers of those services, increasing profit margins for the companies providing them, or benefiting Amazon directly. On top of that, Amazon's homegrown chips signal to other cloud providers that homegrown chips are a viable option for them as well. For example, Microsoft has already showcased some ARM-based CPUs that will compete directly with Amazon's offerings. They've partnered with a small California-based startup called Ampere, which is producing their Ultra CPUs for Microsoft Azure. These chips are built on TSMC's 7 and 5 nanometer processes, so they're well positioned to benefit from this mask computing breakthrough. Azure uses Nvidia's chips to run OpenAI's ChatGPT and their large language models like GPT-4. Now those same chips are helping ASML and TSMC build even more AI chips even faster, increasing AI training and usage availability and leading to more productivity and solutions for harder problems in the future. Some of these advancements will continue to benefit chip manufacturing, accelerating this virtuous cycle. Nvidia's recent AI breakthrough, which has demonstrated AI's ability to create more advanced AI systems, is undeniably a game changer. The rapid progress in AI technology has unlocked a multitude of possibilities, with the concept of AI building AI at the forefront. This groundbreaking development has far-reaching implications that extend well beyond the semiconductor industry, with the potential to revolutionize a wide range of sectors. However, this accelerated advancement also comes with a great deal of responsibility and risk. As such, it is crucial to ensure the ethical and responsible development of AI to mitigate potential negative consequences and to harness the full benefits of these transformative technologies. The idea of AI building AI is both promising and progressive. By designing and manufacturing specialized chips for specific applications, costs can be reduced and efficiency increased for businesses relying on these chips. The impact of this technology goes beyond the tech industry, touching areas such as healthcare, transportation, and energy. One major concern, however, is the potential for creating superintelligent AI, which could surpass human intelligence and pose existential threats to humanity. It is crucial to implement safeguards to mitigate these risks and ensure the responsible development of AI technology. On a more positive note, AI building AI could significantly benefit the healthcare industry. With specialized chips, advancements in medical imaging and genomics could lead to more accurate and rapid disease detection and analysis, as well as help process genomic data, aiding researchers in developing new treatments and cures for diseases. Transportation is another sector that stands to gain from AI building AI, particularly with the rise of autonomous vehicles. Developing chips tailored for self-driving cars could lead to improvements in safety, efficiency, and performance. The energy sector could also be revolutionized by this technology, as chips designed for energy efficiency could help reduce energy consumption and contribute to a more sustainable future. As AI technology continues to advance, we may see breakthroughs in fields like robotics, climate modeling, and materials science. One particularly exciting possibility is the development of general AI, which could perform any intellectual task a human can. Although we have yet to reach this milestone, AI building AI could help us get there faster. But then, again, that's one step closer to the most concerning AI model, superintelligent AI. So guys, there you have it. We're living in a world of mind-blowing technological revolution where AI is not only changing the game but also building itself, making our wildest sci-fi dreams seem like child's play. Who knows, maybe one day we'll have an AI babysitter or a robot butler, as long as they don't turn into an evil mastermind, of course. But seriously, this incredible progress could reshape industries like healthcare, transportation, and energy, creating a brighter and more efficient future for us all. Yet with great power comes great responsibility. I'm looking at you, Spider-Man. And we must ensure that AI advancements are developed ethically and with caution. So, as we stand on the precipice of a new era of AI-driven possibilities, let's keep our fingers crossed that we don't accidentally create Skynet, and instead, harness this amazing technology for the greater good. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more mind-bending content.